Now, from your weather authority, meteorologist Cody Bailey.
Well, yet again, sounding like a broken record, another chilly and below average start to our weekend, especially these Saturdays. Seems like the last several weeks, the last couple of months have featured chilly temperatures well below average, but we're going to be ending the weekend on a much nicer and much warmer note versus how we started it here today. But not a bad looking day. A few more clouds earlier today than what we're seeing outside right now, clearing out just in time for sunset. Let's take a live look outside from one of our tower cameras. This is from the Owensboro Riverfront, starting to get some more clearing in our eastern and northeastern counties, where west and southwest of Evansville, you're already clear, and that's going to be the trend that continues this evening. That's the current view from our roofclaim.com tower camera. And in downtown Evansville, where the sun is on its way down, shining on the old Vanderbilt County Courthouse there, Lord Expressway in the background as well. And temperatures, yes, once again on the chilly side this afternoon, and especially overnight tonight. And finally, starting to see some colors showing up in the clouds as we're approaching sunset. That's from our Diamond Valley Federal Credit Union tower camera. And temperatures are showing a pretty big spread because we do have the clouds to the northeast still holding on that prevented warmer temperatures. Places like Santa Claus at 49, Jasper currently at 48. A mix of clouds and sun here in the metro, 52 Evansville, 53 in Henderson. But out towards the west, where you've seen more sunshine with these clear skies, 55 in Carmine, just outside of our area a little bit ago. 57 was the temperature about a half hour ago in Harrisburg, down to 55 now as well. But we're going to be seeing the reverse trend here once the sun goes down. I think those areas that are clear and warm currently, those temperatures are going to be dropping pretty quickly. And to the northeast, it's going to be a little bit longer of a trend to see the clouds break out. But we are also dealing with the clear skies and the calm conditions tonight. That's a recipe for some widespread frost, and cold temperatures could produce a freeze in some parts of the tri-state as well. We have a freeze warning in our eastern and northern fringe counties, and that will go through tomorrow morning. Most of the tri-state, with a couple of exceptions to the southwest, are under a frost advisory, where we'll be seeing, again, pretty much widespread frost. Still early in the growing season, but if you have any sensitive plants or crops outside, you may want to cover them up or protect them from those cold temperatures tonight. The good news is, though, once we get through basically daybreak tomorrow morning, it's all good to go for the rest of the day and temperature-wise for most of next week, but that's when things start to get a little unsettled in terms of precipitation. Right now, though, live first warning Doppler radar scanning clear and quiet. No threat of precipitation for the rest of the weekend, but by overnight Sunday, a few showers become possible, and that's just basically the beginning of what's going to be a pretty active and unsettled stretch of days through most of next week. So here's an updated look at our future tracker showing us clearing out this evening and staying clear tonight. But again, with calm and clear conditions, widespread frost is looking likely. So we wake up to cold conditions in the morning, but it's going to be a very nice but very windy Sunday. Highs pushing 70 degrees, a good amount of sunshine, but those winds will be about 10 to 20 miles per hour through the afternoon and early evening as well. Then a few more clouds tomorrow afternoon. By this time tomorrow evening, kind of a mix of sun and clouds as well. But it's overnight tomorrow that the clouds thicken up and increase. And after midnight into early Monday morning, a few light scattered showers could begin to increase by daybreak on Monday. Here we are at 6 o'clock Monday morning. Some pockets of heavier rain, maybe a rumble of thunder moving through in the metro in the morning. And then it just kind of comes and goes in waves through Monday afternoon. Could see a little bit of a break by midday. And then more scattered showers and storms move through Monday afternoon and evening. Some of those could be on the strong side as well. But once we get through Monday evening, it looks like more of Tuesday featuring dry time. But that's just going to be a brief period of a quiet stretch because another system, potentially a more potent system, moves through for the beginning of Wednesday, and especially Wednesday afternoon and evening as a cold front sweeps across the tri-state. And that could once again give us a chance of some showers and storms. But we are under at least a level 1, not a large threat, but it is a level 1 out of 5 for our Monday for the majority of the tri-state. And there is already an outlook for the potential of some strong storms on Wednesday as well. Tonight, temperatures on their way through the 40s this evening. Overnight, though, again, down into the 30s with a freeze warning and frost advisory for the majority of the tri-state. Beautiful Sunday on the way, though, again, a little bit on the windy side with highs in the mid-70s to the south and southwest. And then we have a couple of strong to severe storm potentials. Again, the first of which on Monday, and then we'll have to watch out for that potential on Wednesday as well. But we do have another cool down. Thankfully, though, Ryan, it looks like not anywhere near as cold as what we're dealing with here currently. So once we get through tonight, tomorrow morning, smooth sailing in terms of temperatures, but we'll be watching those storm chances as well.
Well, to look on the bright side of things, I'd rather it be warm and rainy versus cold and rainy.
Absolutely. I'm with you.
All right. Well, thank you, Cody.